Hello everyone, good day to you all. This is our lesson number 49, very close to a half century. Okay, so in this Excel lesson number 49, we are going to talk about our table lesson part 3. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to use formulas inside the table and also outside the tables, and also another important function, aggregate function, and why aggregate function is important, right? Let's see. First, let's think about, we need a formula inside the table. So we have here the sales value, but we want to have sales values in local currency, right? Let's say, for example, whatever the formula that you need to include to the table, you can do that. But for this example, I just use that scenario, right? Sales value. We learn about this inserting columns, right? So I just type it and hit enter, then it is automatically added, right? Now the formula equal sales value. Now you can see something very different. If it is not a table, it is just the cell reference. But my friends, you can see when I click equal and go to the cell, it's showing me the name of the column, sales value. Wow, wonderful. Now we'll see, by having that, what is the advantage? Okay, sales value into, let's say the exchange rate is 25, huh? Now, wow. So you no need to copy the formula to your cells, right? It's automatically coming because this is a table. That is why you saw, when you see the formula, it shows the column name, not the cell reference, right? So beautiful, isn't it? And time saving. Okay, so that is how you can use formulas inside, and how fast it is, how quick it is. Now let's calculate the total sales value in US dollars here. So that means outside the table, right? So how we can do that? Equal sum, open parenthesis. Now we can easily give the range like this, no? But my friends, you do not need to do that. So okay, what we can do is, you can type the name of the table. So my table name is sales report. When I just type SAL, then it's showing up, right? Select it, right? And then what is the column name, right? When you input this bracket, right, you can see the available column names. Then select the sales value, double click on it and close that bracket and close parenthesis, hit enter. Now you can see the total sales value. It's equal, right? Yes, 2.507. So how I input the formula? Equal sum, open parenthesis, table name, bracket, and then the column name. Now let's use our filters. Oh, total is not changing here. Wow. So how to do that? That is where we need the aggregate function. Now let's see how to use this aggregate function and what is the advantage of it. Okay, equal, so aggregate returns an aggregate in the list or database, and double click on it, and you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, some numbers up to 19. So these are the available options that we can use with aggregate function. So here it's about sum, that means number 9. You can double click on it, or you can input 9, then comma. Then what is the condition here? Ignore hidden rows. Because when you select filter, what will happen? Some rows is going to hide, right? So then we need to provide the command, don't count the values in hidden rows. That's it, my friends. So hit Ignore hidden rows, double click on it. Okay, and then comma, array. What is the array? Array is the sales value. Okay, type sales report, open brackets, sales value, close brackets, close parenthesis, hit enter. Now you can see the same value. Let's format it. Okay, now my friends, let's use the formula filter slices. Oh, I see, now it's changing. Beautiful. Okay, my friends, really helpful. When you use the slicer, the total sales value also changing. Alright friends, that is how we can use the aggregate function. Okay, in this lesson we learn about several things, right? How to insert a formula inside the table, how to do a formula outside the table, and how to use aggregate function. The main advantage of the aggregate function is when you use slices, the value also will use based on the definition we have done in the aggregate function. Right, my friends, hope this is helpful to you. Now apply this in your day-to-day work. Learn, apply, multiply, my friends. God bless you all.